All right, guys, I freaking feel like it's Christmas because I just got a delivery of fabric. So you guys are gonna be really excited about all of this. I feel like a kid in a candy store right now. I've been waiting so long for this. All right, let's open it. I haven't opened it yet, so hopefully it's all correct and I got everything I ordered. Oh my gosh! You guys are gonna freaking die. I don't even know where to begin. I ordered so much fabric. Okay, let's just get right to it. Okay, 4th of July is coming up, and somebody was asking for, like, if I had any red, white, and blue fabric, and I only had one American, all-American flag fabric, and all those headbands sold out. So currently in my shop, I have nothing that's 4th of July red, white, and blue. So this is gonna change that. So cute. Okay, so the first one you see is like bomb pops. Let me flip it. So it says USA on it. It's got some little white flowers, some little like firework bursts of red, blue, and the bomb pops. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my childhood. So freaking cute. And this fabric is super soft. This is a new shop I ordered from, so I was hoping it was going to be really quality, and it delivered. This is awesome. Okay, so that's our first 4th of July fabric. So pumped. This one's so cute. It's little aviator sunglasses with American flags. It's got the red and white stripes and then the blue with the stars. This is super cute. I'm really excited for this one. These are gonna be perfect for 4th of July. I'm gonna try to get everything like cut and sewn like in my shop as soon as possible, so you guys can like order them and have them for the 4th. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is our second 4th of July fabric. Okay, third one. I'm just so excited for these. I can't even stand myself. Getting new fabric is like, it's just the ultimate excitement for me. We have another popsicle fabric of red, white, and blue. We got some stars on a white background. You guys are gonna love this fabric. It's so soft and like very stretchy, which is awesome. So that's our third 4th of July fabric. I think we got one more in here somewhere. Oh yeah, this one's my favorite. Out of all the 4th of July fabric, this is it for me. Look at that. This is like not so much like 4th of July. I mean, it is because it's red, white, and blue, but this just like reminds me of summer in like every regard. We got the bomb pops, we got some hot dogs, pretzels, strawberries. It's a light blue background. It has like itty bitty little white stars on it. So yeah, this one is my favorite. Like, this one is so freaking cute to me. All these are going to be limited, obviously. I didn't order mass amounts of fabric because the 4th of July is coming up, so I didn't want to have like a ton of stock left over. So if you guys want these, I'll post as soon as I get in my shop. Make sure you guys like get after it because there's not going to be a ton. All right, so that's all the 4th of July fabrics. And then I had a couple requests for like cow fabric, so which I was gonna buy this one anyways, just because it's like, it's so cute. Everybody loves a Highland cow. Look at this. Look how pretty she is. It's little Highland cows, some greenery, and then some pink flowers and yellow flowers. But look how cute that is. So for my girlies that were looking for cow fabric, here we go. And then there's one more I got for you. It's like a cow print with sunflowers on it. Sunflowers are my favorite. If you guys don't know, that's where the name of my headband shop came from, Gypsy Charmer headband. So Gypsy Charmer is actually a sunflower, and it's like my favorite kind of sunflower. It's like a specific color pattern. Look it up. But yeah, that's why we're called Gypsy Charmer headbands. So sunflowers and cow. I figured this was like a perfect combo for my cow print girlies. Look how cute that is. So excited. Okay, and then we had another specific request, actually from my sister-in-law, Tia. Her daughter plays soccer. So we got this one. Look how cute this is. It's like purple. It's like purple, pink, and blue, like watermark, with cheetah and soccer balls. This was my favorite soccer print that I could find. So Tia girl, this one's for you. Super cute. And then we have a couple random ones. I just had my son a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to do something for the nurses that took like super good care of us while we were there. I'm a nurse myself, so it's important to me to like thank my nurses. So I got some fabric for the girlies there. Look at this. Look how cute this is. It's got little baby footprints in, I think it's like a green. I thought it was blue, but it's actually like green and pink. And then we got some little stethoscopes with a heart right on the bell. Isn't this cute? So I will be sewing this for my nurses, but there's gonna be a lot of extra. So my nurses that work labor and delivery, mother, baby, NICU, there's gonna be extra for you, so don't worry. But I thought this was super cute. I'm so excited to deliver it to the hospital. So cute. And then just as another thank you, my son was not in the NICU, but we did have the NICU in our room during delivery just because of a couple small complications, minor issues. They had to check him out. So I'm very appreciative that they were there and that I was in a hospital that does have a NICU. That was a huge blessing. So even though we were not in the NICU, thank God, we still utilized the nurses and the nurse practitioners. So it was important to me to do something for them to say thank you as well. So look at this. So it's kind of the same, like has the baby feet. This one is like a light blue background instead of the white on this one. It looks white, but if you put them together, you can kind of see the difference there. So yeah, super cute, light blue background, little blue footprints, little pink footprints, and then it says NICU for my NICU girlies. So if you took care of me in the hospital and you're watching this, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It meant everything to me. And sorry, I'm getting emotional, but so you guys are gonna get headbands from me to say thank you. I really appreciate and love you guys and all that you do. From one nurse to another. So that's it. That's all my new fabric. So excited. So if you guys want 4th of July fabric, if you want the NICU baby footprint headbands, if you want soccer, if you want the cow prints, I know it's kind of like a lot of random stuff, but I'm trying to get like what people are asking for as much as I possibly can. So yeah, that's all my new stuff. Stay tuned. It's gonna be in my shop as soon as I can get it cut and sewn into headbands. Kind of limited. I have a toddler and now a newborn, so it's nap time right now. So I can only get as much done in like an hour, 2 hour span as I possibly can. That's about all I get in the day. So, but like I said, this will be in my shop as soon as possible. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.